You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more website builder reviews and tech tips. Welcome back to Rome Tech, where we explore the digital landscape to help you find the perfect tools for your online presence. Today, we're diving into my personal experience using the Jimdo website builder. All the links to the products mentioned are down in the description below. Let's get started. Jimdo presents itself as a straightforward, beginner-friendly website builder specifically designed for small businesses, freelancers, and individuals seeking a quick and hassle-free way to establish a functional online presence. Throughout my time using Jimdo, I discovered its most prominent strength lies in its remarkable simplicity. This is largely due to the platform's AI-powered engine, cleverly named Jimdo Dolphin. This intelligent assistant streamlines the initial setup process incredibly efficiently. Jimdo Dolphin begins by asking you a few fundamental questions about your specific needs and preferences. Based on your responses, it automatically generates a personalized website template, providing a solid foundation that you can then refine and customize further. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who prefer not to build their website entirely from scratch. Jimdo also boasts a diverse selection of contemporary, mobile-responsive templates, ensuring your website maintains a professional and visually appealing appearance on any device, from desktops to smartphones. The website editor itself is remarkably user-friendly, employing an intuitive drag-and-drop interface for effortless customization. The essential tools for incorporating text, images, and various sections are presented in a clear and concise manner, empowering you to construct a website rapidly without feeling overwhelmed by an array of complex options. Furthermore, integrated SEO tools provide users with the ability to optimize their sites for search engines directly within the platform, eliminating the need for third-party plugins. This is a significant advantage for beginners eager to enhance their online visibility. The platform encompasses crucial features like a contact form builder, fundamental e-commerce functionality, and seamless social media integration. While Jimdo's e-commerce tools are generally sufficient for smaller online stores, larger businesses with more advanced requirements might find the provided functionality somewhat restrictive. Jimdo's pricing structure is quite attractive, especially for users seeking an affordable entry point into website creation. The available plans encompass both hosting and essential security features, such as SSL certificates, guaranteeing the safety and reliability of your website. One potential drawback worth mentioning is that Jimdo's customization options are slightly more limited compared to more sophisticated website builders like Webflow or Doodah. However, this trade-off contributes to the platform's overall simplicity and ease of use, which is precisely what many small business owners and non-technical users prioritize. In my personal experience, I appreciated how Jimdo strikes a balance between simplicity and sufficient flexibility, allowing users to create a professional-looking website in a relatively short amount of time. To summarize, Jimdo is an excellent option for anyone who values ease of use and requires a functional, visually appealing website without the burden of a steep learning curve. If you're searching for a budget-friendly, user-friendly website builder that covers the essential features, Jimdo is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information. Thanks for watching Rome Tech.